Now this is my favorite bridge, and this is where I come to do all my bridge stuff, whatever that means. But I've noticed a trend, and that is this padlock phenomenon, where lovers write their initials on a padlock, lock it to a bridge, and then throw the key in to represent eternal love. Which kind of makes you wonder what's going on with these dimwits. But let's not go there. Now, I'm not much of a competitive soul, but... Look what I found at the hardware store. It. But when I do stuff, I like to go big, and guess love is no different. Oh, this is so dumb. But yeah, let's get this puppy up here before too many people are going home for lunch. It's Friday after all. Should be enough. So there we are. And of course, the finishing touch.